So today I thought, on the release of my extension for script for Minecraft, I thought I'd show you my entire Zed setup and how to have what I have basically. And I use multiple languages, not just script, so you'll see everything. And yeah, let's get into it. First, you want to head over to Zed's website. I'll leave all these links in the description, by the way. So download it. I am doing this on a VM, so it's completely fresh. So if you run into any errors, I can fix that. Just download straight for Windows because we're on Windows. Whilst that's downloading, you're going to grab the font that I mainly use, which is Geist or Geist, as some will say. You're going to download that, and also JetBrains Mono, which will be our fallback font. With all three downloaded, we'll be good. And I'll also leave the direct link in the description for this because it will make it easier for you guys to go to. So, clicking on the link in the description should just show you this page. And click on Raw, or actually, I'll just click on Raw after. Now we have these files downloaded, so we're going to go to our downloads folder. And then just unzip it. I have 7-zip, you can use Windows one, but I like 7-zip more because it's faster and better. So unzip Geist and JetBrains Mono. We have two folders. Okay, Geist, we're gonna do Mono for us and the TFF. Control A, select all, and just install. Fonts are very, very small, so it won't take up like any space. JetBrains Mono, fonts, TFF, and just go Control A and install. Take a little second. This VM is running quite low specs as well, so it's not going to be the fastest. Alright, but Zed is written in Rust, which is pretty fast. That's a good thing about Zed. I'm going to go head over and install Zed. Let that install, very nice. Now I'm just going to go one for one with what I have, so let's do that. Oh, also real quick, I'm going to quickly grab, obviously you'll be doing this on your PC, so I'm just going to grab the script project language server that has some example code in there. Just so I can show that it works for script, because I want to also show that my new extension I did. So I'm actually going to download this as well, whilst that downloads. Grab the dip. Alright. Launch Zed, and also extract this. I'll put it on my desktop. Right, perfect. We're going to leave all of this default. All this will be changed. You can like just turn these ones off, but it will be changed. And just hit enter. We're top right, top left, or you can hit Control Shift X. But I'll just go top left and hit extensions. Right. I personally use I'll just go one by one with what I have. HTML, I use Git, Firefly. I also use Toml. Java. It's not the best for Java, but you know, as Capuchin or Caputin, I don't know how people pronounce it. I say Capuchin. I think it's Mocha I use, but our config will change this all. I'm going to icons too. I also use Dockerfile. I'm using SQL. And C#. You don't need all of these. Only the ones that you know you will be using, add. If you're not going to be using them, then don't add them. I'm just going through the ones I personally use. So at least I know it's one-to-one, works with my config. You can edit my config, remove, add, whatever you want. There's a lot of other people's configs out there, but this is the one that I know that I built the script config with and works. So just go with that. Why is Lua not showing? There we go. Yeah, this VM is a little tiny laggy, but that's to be expected. It is a virtual machine, and I gave it like the base specs. So actually, we can check what I'm using in a second after this. Kotlin, very good language. Right, we're nearly done. So biome. Wackaton. And last but not least, Postgres language server. And obviously the best be saved to the last, which is script made by me. So I'm gonna go and download script. Okay. I'll go ahead and open up my project, which I put on desktop. I don't have anything like bun or stuff like that. And obviously you have stuff on the right of the screen. I personally don't like that. So I move it on the left. I'm going to go over to open settings file and just delete all this. And head back over, copy, Control A, Control C, and boom, paste. This is how mine looks. Peak is very good. Then let's let everything load because standard language servers. Download the script LSP, and now once script LSP downloads, sometimes it might take a little bit. You might have to restart. You should be able to hop over script, and it should say stuff. You can type script out. Like, okay, this running gets laggy on this virtual machine, but I should probably have increased the specs a little bit. I gave it like 2 threads, but yeah, let's have a look. Ah, yeah, 4 cores and 8 gigs of RAM. It'll run better on your machine, obviously. I don't have any acceleration on. So, I don't know. Look, let's just change some of that. On right click. There you go. LSP kicked in. Get on. Well, let's say on right click, send message to a player like hi. Boom. You have like you have autofill and stuff like that. You have our stuff like I don't know, all the script stuff from script docs. So like titles, title send. It's peak. And that is pretty much my Zed setup on how to just use it. It also works with other languages like Rust, C Sharp, TypeScript, JavaScript. Everything is customizable from the file. If you have a look, like, okay, the lag on the virtual machine is crazy, but I promise you on my PC it does not lag at all. So, but that is my script, my Zed pretty much. And yeah, hopefully you have fun with Zed. It's so much faster than VS Code. So let's see. Look, if I close this, Zed 1, 2, oh, it's back. It will take a second for like the LSP to load, but you will tell when it loads. And we can do lsp logs. Open. Oh, well, you'll see it turn orange, or depending on what color you use, but it takes a little second for it to load in fully. And that's it. I hope you enjoy, hope you can follow it, and have a good time.